makansela mune fire yakadai. No. I think about empty pipe. Gukula, Izenzo, New Zimbabwe, New Beginning, New Zimbabwe, New Beginning, Chisa Mama Chisa, Chinja, Maitiro, Ezoko. Ukaona slogan ya pfumba kusvika payasvika kurakidza kuti ngoma yapfumba, ruyo rwapfumba, musangano wapfumba. MDC iri muhana dzevazhinji munyika, iri mupfungwa nemundangariro dzevazhinji. Ndosaka muchiona ZANU-PF inoziva kuti hakuna chazezesa kunze kwebato rimwe chete, bato revanhu, the People's Party, MDC, namunoziva ino. Allow me kutenda mkuru wepati akaitanga, Dr. Richard Morgan Tsvangirai. Makanzela zvakakodzera kuti tinge tichipedzera pano. Engineer Mzuri. After 2 days of a historic event and development, pano ndopa mshamkuru yainza Harvest House takaichinja yakunzi Morgan Tsvangirai House. Kureva kuti muridzi wemusha akautanga nebuilding inofanira kunemwa in honor of him. Manga mchizviziva here kuti pano ndo paishandira Herbert Chitepo mu3rd floor. Vari lawyer machambers avo anga ari pano munguva yerudisha. So this is a historic building. Great people like Herbert Chitepo, Morgan Tsvangirai vakatisira torch yekulida and yekulida in an excellent way and excellent manner wherever we are at. So toka pano ande takatambura the gospel of smart cities, the gospel of smart villages, smart communities. Kumarua tunaita ma smart communities where we are leading differently because takuda kuunza an alternative kugara kwevanhu nokurarama kwevanhu must show kuti vari kutungamirwa neruoko runesimba ruoko rweMDC. So Chibapano, I'm sure you are all emboldened to make sure that the gospel is changed. Don't change yourself before you change others. Vazhinji munokanganwa moba mati pari kubuda mvura pachitubu ndo panofanira kunge pane uswa unyoro. Uswa unyoro ngauwe kunodirizwa nechitubu. Navachitubu hachizvidiridzi. Chitubu chinenge chichirwara angazoti sindebere kuti mkulu. Utogogulai. Yes. You will be sick if you begin to look at yourself. Councillors must be the last ones to think about themselves. Think about the people you lead. That is the better definition of love. You don't think about yourself. You think about others. Some minister wedu isa atina local government church tine devolution and local government. As you know, in our government we have no more than 15 ministries, one of which is devolution and local government. We are emphasizing local government and devolution. We want decisions to be made where they are enjoyed and where people benefit from them. So minister devolution and local government, in terms of our party, Our Vice President Aripano, my core in the leadership is standing committee. I will not go into my details. Chakupetiraka. Maita chinuchikuru nas. Masaina Wilano. A covenant with the party. Kutitakuno itajumezuni. Pese pane miko, pane murayo. Pese pane mtego, pane demo. Pese pane kusaimwa, zvakuti pane kuparara kwemunhu kana katatera sikirika yake. Zvinoamwe kumtego tinenezi cabinet subscriptor. Saina beware. Ukasaina usina kuverenga, unoponererwa nesignature yako. Na signature inyoka chikara chinokuparadza. I hope you read what you signed. You are signing for loyalty to the cause. You are signing for loyalty to party values. You are signing for loyalty to the citizen values and engagement with the residents to say that we will serve the people to the best of our ability. So it's not something that is out of the ordinary. The solemn declaration is to say, when we then choose to say, you are not walking the path of change, the path of smartness, you have to pave way for those who are working according to our dictates. You will have to comply. That's what you are signing for. You are signing for the real change code of ethics and values, to say these are the values that bind us. You can never be MDC if you are not free from corruption. It's possible to lead people and not steal. It's possible to lead people and make a difference in people's lives. In local authorities, Maruzeva, and in urban areas. Now, I'm going to report this morning. Harare, Yakanagamna 1890. 1890, Pioneer Kola Meoya Kunede 500 men. Waganga promises of gold and ounces of gold in that regard. First year, Harare Yangelema stands 2,544. Arrival parceled out. The first must stand. He said that should have been. Methodist ikakuwa kwetu huko 1893 kuti ivake zvaifana kuvaka. Ndo kama developers anzi toda kuti expand Harare iende kuna Rusape, iende kumazowe, ite vana Beatrice dzinge dziri part of Harare. Ma developers akaramba akati kure hatisikudepo. But because vanga vasiri kuona the growth and expansion of the city, Harare yakaita a municipal town in 1897. And the first suburb was Mbare. But when I showed that, so they introduced the hard tax in 1896 to force people Maruzeva ukanaosina mari ya hard tax unouya kupi kudhoroba. Wauya kudhoroba waakushandira kudhoroba. But you see it vakatambura futi nevanhu vangava mudhorobha ndobva vaintroduce science made to my 30s 40s yani vagrants act yokuti kana waiwanikwa uri mudhorobha usingashandi kumusha vaiginya handi mapanzeva dzokera kwachihodya dzokera kwagutu dzokera kucholocho. It's the same thing for Bulawayo. But the point I want to make, ma-Rhodesians akatanga the cities Bulawayo and Harare were visionaries. Do you know what Pakatanga 1890? They had nothing. But by 1898, railway almost 9 years. Muno road yogenda kumashingo. Every election. Every election, you know what? Chitungu is Harare railway. It's possible. We don't need to spend 6 months. The metro train. You know what in there? My major suburbs. Every day. Man, I'm going to drive a private vehicles. You go to Stockholm, you go to Denmark, you go to modern cities. They don't have to struggle. But you drive a motor car. It's a hassle. Ukapinda train is faster, it's more convenient, it's more exciting because these are Wi-Fi enabled trains. So you are able to save and go on Google. Train. And it's also less cost. Don't want to because from Chibapano and then moto sumudzana kuchinja mafuta. Kwetu kuenda ne moto wokuda kunesa marasha ekunoparaza mafuta. Tichibuda muno Harare must never be the same. What do you want to see? Want to see clean cities. Want to see my streets are well labeled. Want to see my streets are green enabled. We want to see my roads. We want to see my third roads. Yes, number challenges, but let's have my partnerships. As we live here, let's go to being a road district council. To know a difference of quality life, a difference of the feel of the MDC leadership. Chiza Pamachisa, Gukula, Izenzo, Gukula. Let's have smart schools. Let's have smart hospitals, clinics, wherever we are. Olawai, into Tuziatu. Onto Tuziatu, we want to see. Yes, you may not be able to do the factories because that's not your remit. But let's see Bulawayo being what it used to be. One of the smartest cities, well organized, well run, and of course, services being delivered in a proper manner. So want to see more amenities, conference facilities, not community halls, but conference facilities, animal recreational services, animal sports facilities for communities, basketball, tennis. Basketball local communities, otherwise they will be better than Kesti Coventry swimming. But I used to swim in an ordinary river where it was crocodile infested. That's why I'm able to deal with crocodiles even up. I would have been better maybe than Kesti Coventry as a swimmer. But because those facilities were not available, and there are many others. Variko Kwana Peter Grove, Manakara break, Variko, Vana Baron break. The basketball Variko better than Anna. But we don't have those facilities in our communities. So let's go and build smart communities in our various towns, in our various cities. Let's go back to Chitungwiza and make life different for the ordinary people in Chitungwiza. Masuwa ngawe ZANU-PF. Imimi mrofana make sure you are able to provide quality services. But now Chinja. Chinja? Maitiro? Chinja. Chinja? Maitiro? Chinja. Let us go back. Kwekwe. Tunuratiza. What are we naming our city? I'm very happy with my resolutions tonight. How are we branding the city of Kwekwe? How are we branding the city of Kadoma? How are we branding the town council in Chipinge? What is the common issue there? Have 5 critical projects that we are going to say, by next year, these are the deliverables in terms of the projects that we are going to deliver. Think projects, think development, think smart. Mashingo, what are you going to do for the people? Ukaona uri minister, semama minister na wama president. Waka gopina government ba 1980 usina cha unopomerwa uzi chakaitwa no kudafu wapi. So 5 key projects for each town council. That's the call to action. And I will not develop my cities. To honor what are the major projects Amukupa in Harare, in Bulawayo, in Rua, in Marondera, in Bindura. To honor those projects in Binga. The people of Binga have supported us through thick and thin. But what are we doing for them? To make sure that we are rewarding their loyalty to the cause, they are loyal to democracy. What are we doing? We can't just behave like we are not the government. We are the government. Muno Marare Muno, government EMDC. In Mulawayo, government EMDC. In Mutare, government EMDC. In Gweru, government EMDC. In Vicford, government EMDC. Show it. Government don't have responsiveness to the people. Let us make sure that we do 5 critical things as I conclude. Number 1, in Congo, we don't lose to anyone. Number 1, guard your zones of autonomy. How do we lose our zones of autonomy? When we allow ourselves to be below par in service delivery, we lose that zone of autonomy. Local authority is a zone of struggle. Local authority is a zone of delivery. Local authority is a zone of making a difference. Shane, we want to see the difference that you are making. In Bedbridge, we want to see the difference you are making. Gwanda, Mayor of Gwanda, we want to see, and I'm very happy. I saw what you have done with the street lighting there. Chireti, they've done very well with their roads. That is what we want to see. Things that we're able to point at and say, this is a smart city, this is a smart community, this is a smart village. Guard yourself of autonomy. Number 2, refuse to be swallowed. A lot of you are being swallowed. Let not the tail wag the dog must wag the tail. The tail is the city clerk, the technical people, the directors. You are the dog, you must bark. But the problem is that we have a dead dog, a sleeping dog, a dog that is not able to bark. Apart from barking, go and bite. Bite in a better way. You don't bite your own. You bite enemies of the struggle. You bite enemies of change. You bite enemies of service delivery. You bite enemies of accountability in communities. Be giants in your own right. Lead. Be able to resist being swallowed. Number 3, be a credible alternative. Now, look at here. A credible alternative, what you do, councillor must be accessible. The councillor must be available. I was showing you our Gombani report. Residents were being asked about accessibility of councillors. 80% say the councillors are not accessible. This was last year. I'm sure it changes now because of our change. 80%. They were saying our councillors are nowhere to be seen. 70% said we voted for a councillor not because we know the councillor, but because we trust the party that they come from. This is in the report. Now, when I go to party about Maita, Ugaita Mwana Tsotsi, Maya Tuamba. And you know that. Kumusha Kulimbava. No one. Being a hundred of Parazamusha. So my Pinyari Bagataba and Lokumbira Museum, we are in Romara. I'm not forgetting Mashura, Uzimba Mukuzokera, Sia, Pia, Bagomba, Motor, Pia, Mesa, Kumba, Mazoka leadership. Sia Kuno, Sia Kuno is to Tidana Zukuno. Mazokera, go and serve people, be a credible alternative. We want our councillors to be accessible, available, and credible in their conduct. We have to be credible and alternative. Let's be credible. Number 4, let's have alternative policies. Those are adopted by the smart cities concept, the smart communities concept. But programs, ideas, vision. Are we sustainable in what we are doing? Are we green in our policies? Election inodyiwa munhu anenge asarendeka. FDC haidyiwe election muZimbabwe. Ndiyo inogona kuti idyiwe nezano. Hakuna anodyiwa asina kutenda. We are the dominant part. Tenderera kwese kwa muri kuenda. MDC ndo party yevanhu. But muchenjere councillors edu kuti munogona kuisa entry into our defeat if we don't cut our zones off autonomy. As much as the children be joined. Let's cut our zones off autonomy. Let's be credible. Let us have credible. Tukakutaura kale. Muli mapesaka. Maasmatic Karamada. That is what we want to see. Last but not least, let us embrace technology. Let us embrace technology on WhatsApp, on Twitter, on social media, Instagram. You have to be a modern counselor. Embrace technology. Be a digital citizen, not a digital foreigner. We must strangers to technology. Born before technology. No, let's go and build our capacity as counselors in technology. So tunakuona bill, arifani uzimrani kiwa out of bill. Let there be online billing. Let us see online graphs refuse collection. Let us see payment rates online, the payment system. Let us see my digital systems residents around through a digital registry. Urban planning is based on data. Let's have data and statistics. My counselor don't make decisions without statistics. Figure. Don't pass a technical team. Let's have figures. Data is the future. Data is how we're going to lead. Be modern, embrace technology. Are we together? Yes. Are we agreed? Yes. We are proud of you. We know that with my counselors and the campus, because you are competent. And mayor. Mayor is not just a position, but your proposition. What are you able to give? Now look at the mayor, city mayor. Mayor, city mayor, mayor. Mayor from Rwanda. Uti, mayor, you are a lightweight. And after this, the uti. We are Pepuka. Yes, we are Pepuka Sibi. So Mayor Ngara is the Pune depth. Mayor Ngara Mayor Ngara is the Puno Batan Zawan. The mayor must unite people. The mayor can't be a leader of a group. He must be a leader of a team. Yes. There's a difference between leading a team and leading a group. Yes. When you lead a group, it's a ragtag. Yes. But when you lead a team, it has goals, it has a particular code, it is a way of doing things, it is a shared goal. You lead a team, unite people, move with the people. A mayor must not just be an activist, he must be a leader. A leader defines a cause. An activist is defined by a cause. A leader must be able to be a thermostat. Govern the temperature in the room, not a thermometer. Gauging the temperature. A leader must change the direction and the temperature in the room, the temperature in our city councils, the temperature where we are leading. Ladies and gentlemen, we are proud of you. Thank you very much for the love that you showed to the party. Thank you for continuing to be with this party. Thank you for being disciplined. Thank you for being loyal. We are expecting you to work. Nana Engineer Mzuri, our minister, actually did the process. He has been one of our most competent mayors when he was still mayor. He has a lot of experience. A great leader is able to lead out of the leadership of others. So kudzidza chinhu chakanaka. And my MPs at 19 hours, shanda yona zvakadini? Zvakanaka. Musadhonzera ma MP basi. Even uchiona kuti akawira pasi musimudze uri kanzera. Kwete kuti awa pasi dotsika-tsika. Jisa mbama jisa. Kukula. Izenzo. Aiwaka. Let's get united. Let's work together. We have a great party at build up. We want to be more in the rural areas. The next meeting we have, Todakuita meeting your time, our councillors from our reserve, where we have a few, we must have the majority. But it can only be out of hard work, effort, focus, discipline, and loyal to the party. And we'll be able to do that. Kuma Eben, we must not lose. Where we have 28, we must have 32 out of 32. And we can only do that if we have changed our way of leading. This is a great movement. You are a great people. We cannot be smart without smart councillors. Go and lead, go and make the change, go and show the difference, and go and make us proud. Thank you very much. God bless you. God bless you, God bless you, God bless you, and let's show the difference. Naona damzikoratana, naona reti zvezvi, vamzuri. Rahapa 40 chapters. Zvandakudza ine zuro. Could even if you are a very good counselor, you can't plan under these circumstances. Even if you are an effective father, mother, wife or husband, an educated intellectual, nurse, doctor, teacher, when you are so organized, the state disorganizes you. When you are so orderly, the state is in the business of disordering you. When you are a member, you get dismembered by this regime. Engineer Mzura. Engineer. Because of how things are. If you don't struggle for water, you struggle for power. If you don't struggle for power, you struggle for petrol. If you don't struggle for petrol, you struggle for your cash. If you don't struggle for your cash, you struggle for your drugs in the hospital. If you don't struggle for if you are a pensioner, you struggle for your money that you have to then get out of the bank. You are struggling for everything. And Zimbabweans, this is what you must take as a message back home. Let's fight for our rights. Yes. Let us not wait for anyone to tell us to fight. Yes. It's natural to fight when you are being fought. Yes. It's natural to fight for freedom when you are being oppressed. Let's fight for our people's government. Let's fight for livelihoods. Let's fight to make sure that we liberate ourselves. Yes. That's not a country. You focus on the wrong thing. In other countries, they are impeachment with Dara. Because when a president celebrate things, it shows you that he's out of touch with reality. But also his days are numbered. So go out there and lead. Go out there and show difference. Go out there and be our smart representatives. We are not there, but when you are there, we are there. And we thank you for the leadership that you continue to show. Those who are not doing things properly, amend your ways. Those who are doing well, excel in doing well. Those who are able to add something to communities, for smart communities, smart cities, do so that our party is going to be given the glory that it deserves. Thank you very much, Amtrope. Congratulations for this wonderful event. This is the beginning. We will continue to do more capacity building, teaching of our councillors until we have a smart councillor who is able to provide smart services and smart solutions. Thank you very much. God bless you.